These tips will help you stop sweating permanently and naturally.
Hi guys, my name is Immy and I'm a pharmacist obsessed with health, beauty and wellness. I love to try new products and post every single week, so make sure you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel.
So guys, for the longest time I wanted to stop using deodorants which have chemicals in them, and it has taken me so long to figure out like a deodorant, natural deodorant at home that works for me. And today I'm going to be sharing my recipe with you guys. So the reason I actually stopped using chemical deodorants is because they are filled with aluminium, and there are actually really mixed reviews about this, and there's a lot of mixed studies. But when you use an antiperspirant deodorant under your armpits, it actually blocks the pores with aluminium, and that is how you stop sweating. That is why it's called an antiperspirant. So with time, you know, the pores underneath your armpits, they get clogged and clogged and clogged, and you will feel like that your deodorant isn't working well. You would need to change up brands, and a lot of people struggle because they feel like they're so sweaty. It's summer and they're sweating and they stink. You know, even me, I had this problem. I was going to the gym and I was using deodorant and I felt like it wasn't working, and I used so many different deodorants and I just felt like nothing was working. So I was like, I'm going to use a natural one, and today I'm going to teach you how to exactly, you know, the exact method of doing it. So when you are switching from a normal chemical deodorant to a natural one that does not have chemicals, there are a few steps that you need to do. I'm going to share my natural deodorant recipe in a minute, but what you need to do first is an armpit detox. Now, armpit detox is a way to detox your pores. So all the pores that are filled with aluminium, they are clogged, and that is why, like, you know, nothing is working. You're feeling stinky, bacteria is sitting there and smelling. So an armpit detox is a natural mask that you can actually make at home, and you can use it on your armpits, and it will actually help like get rid of the toxins. So to make your armpit detox, which is the first step of stopping sweating naturally, of course, is to get apple cider vinegar. So apple cider vinegar is going to really like absorb the toxins, and the other thing we're using is bentonite clay. You can use like Aztec clay, you can use bentonite clay. Green clay is usually really good, and clay is so powerful because it really sucks out toxins. We use it on our face, you know, to unclog our pores. For the same technique, we're going to be using it underneath our armpits. And one thing that I love to use is lavender essential oil. So you just mix these ingredients up and you want to apply them to your armpit, just a nice layer, and let it dry. It will take probably about 10-15 minutes to dry, and then you are good. Just wash it off, take a bath. And now I'm going to teach you guys how to make a natural deodorant at home. If you are starting out, I actually highly recommend that you buy a natural one because it will be a bit more hard, but this one is a homemade one. So to make my deodorant, I used a little bit of coconut oil. Of course, I will put all the quantities down below. I also used some shea butter. So the other ingredient I used is a bit of cornstarch. I think if you don't have cornstarch, you can use a little bit of baking powder just to keep it a bit solid. And the last ingredient that you need is essential oil. So you can actually use any sort of essential oil that you prefer. Lemon essential oil would be good. Tea tree essential oil would be good. I have got frankincense essential oil and a bit of rose essential oil, and I feel like this is like, I don't smell at all. I use this every single night, and I don't apply it in the morning. I just leave it on at night and it does the magic. But guys, this technique has actually really helped me like detox my body. So this is what I actually highly recommend for you guys to do. So the reason you might be stinking so much and like your deodorants are not working is because maybe your armpit pores are blocked. So we need to unblock those pores, and this armpit detox has done wonders for me. So I highly recommend it. And then it will, of course, it will take you a few weeks to get used to this stuff as well. But if you do try it, do let me know. I just thought I would come here and share my deodorant recipe and my armpit detox. Hope you guys are having a great day. Please don't forget to give this video a like if you do try my recipe, and also check out my channel because I have tons of DIYs and videos and I post every single week. Alright guys, take care. Bye.